In Ethiopia, and we will soon see Her Excellency the President, TAT distributed more than 100,000 tons of certified seeds of heat-tolerant wheat varieties. It expanded wheat cultivated area under irrigated lowlands from less than 5,000 hectares when it was all started in 2018 to 1.4 million hectares in 2022 and 2023. Wheat yields doubled from 2 tons per hectare to 4 tons per hectare. Ethiopia's wheat production increased by an additional 1.6 million metric tons in 2023. And I am, of course, so delighted to say that today it has made Ethiopia self-sufficient in wheat for the first time in its history. And it became an exporter of wheat to neighboring countries.